Yes, mga kapes, mga kababi, sa inyo galang upaw nga makatagbaw. We're on live on our Tuesday rainy day. Super cold and super quiet area. So it's been a while that I've never been having like this. I have Noy Noy, one of my colleague. Yes, we're on our super distancing area of our place, of our workplace, working place. So once again, ang galang upang nga makatagbo, nag-iingon nga stay safe and healthy, especially we have the Kiko typhoon. So we have to be more extra. And of course, social distancing as usual, the COVID is always there. Manginaot ko nga ang tanan, grabe ra kaayo ka safe. Wala mas na importante, di ba? So inana lang siya, manginaot ko nga ang tanan. Nag-enjoy. Labi na gyud kato nag-live ta atong last Saturday. So I'm still looking forward everyone out there to please join with my live video on every Saturday. That will be from this time. Maybe we're going to make it earlier so that while you are eating, you're having the live video and you will be enjoying. And of course, lami ba ang appetite kung maglami sa nato ang feelings, no? Kana magkaon ta na ay gamay nga kalingawan. So madaghan na nga tong kaon. So once again, ayong higalang upang nga makatagbo, nag-iingon nga stay safe and healthy always. God bless. Once again, salamat kayo sa mga nag-support. So, magpadayon na ito mga activity with our surprises at the same time. And definitely, it will be on and on and on. And that will be coming from your end at the same time. Once again, dako akong kalipay sa uban nga. Ila yung gihatagan og gahi. Time ay ilahang anang day and ang night at the same time. So, again, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless.